from Brazil. But I live many years in the United States. A lot of excitement, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love the dress, the colours.
Yeah, you see? Yeah, I'm old. Even my nails.
When did you first come here?
35 years ago. I met him in 93. We married in 94, but I came in 91. Yeah.
Okay. And then 3 years later, Brazil won the World Cup here.
Yeah,
1994.
Yeah, we celebrated the same year that you got married.
Some of those players from that World Cup
We
team.
have autographs, everything. We are writers. We got some autograph in one of our books too, with the team.
So hopefully now, 32 years later, Brazil can do the same here.
Yeah,
Win
who
again.
knows? Yeah, celebrate our wedding anniversary with another maybe can win. Yeah.
How much does it mean for you to have it here as well?
Oh, it's wonderful to have everybody from other countries to come here and be able to share this experience together. It's a way of bringing people together.